Hello, my name is Glenn Pruitt, and today we're looking at Paratext 10 Studio. Specifically, we're going to look at send-receive capabilities, cross-platform, and also interoperability with Paratext 9. So what you're looking at is my computer with Paratext 10 Studio running on Windows operating system. And we're looking at 2 Peter chapter 1, verse 3, where our text starts off, and it says at the moment, God's power has given us what we need to live a truly religious life through our knowledge of the one who called us to share in his own glory and goodness. So when I look at this and my text comparison on the right-hand side, I'm thinking that truly religious isn't really a great translation. Instead, it should say godly. So I'm going to go ahead in the editor and enter that. There we go. And I'm going to do, through the project tab menu, I send receive this project, and it's working on the send receive, and it'll pop up a window when it's done in just a moment. There it is. And so my changes have been sent, and I'm going to now stop sharing and pass it to the next member of our team, Jolie.
I'm Jolie. I'm running Paratext 10 on macOS, and I have our project open, and I'm going to do a send receive to get Glenn's changes. Okay. I can see that truly religious has changed to godly, and so I think I'm going to add the word divine in front of power here for God's divine power. And I'm going to do another send receive. Okay, and I will pass it to TJ.
Thanks, Jolie. So I'm TJ, and I'm working right here on Paratext 9 in Windows. And I'm just getting on my computer, so I don't have the latest changes from my teammates. So I'm going to send and receive this project. So we'll see. Glenn and Jolie gave us some changes here. Everything looks good, so we'll go ahead and take a look at the verse here and decide I want to change what here to everything. So I'm going to make that change here. And then I'm going to send receive as well. And then I will switch over to TJ2, who is working in Paratext 10 Studio on Linux. This is WSL. And I also don't see my changes from my teammates yet, so I'm going to go ahead and make a send receive. So we see my teammates' work coming in here. And I will add marvelous right here between own and glory. So then I will send and receive my work. Okay, and then I will pass it back to Glenn.
Okay, so now it's back to me on Paratext 10 Studio on Windows, and I'm going to do a send receive and get the changes from my teammates. And there we go. I see changes from TJ and from Jolie. So I'm going to close that and take a look at the text that we have now. And it says, God's divine power has given us everything we need to live a godly life through our knowledge of the one who called us to share in his own marvelous glory and goodness. So there we go. That's send receive in Paratext 10 across platform, across Windows, Mac, and Linux, as well as interoperability between Paratext 10 and Paratext 9. So thank you for watching. Take care.